Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be cooking French fried chicken. That Madia's family reunion French fried chicken. The French fried chicken that make you lick your 10 finger. Little backstory guys, I have a friend, she requested it. She's asking me to do a tutorial of it because she has a boyfriend that loves French fried chicken. She does not know how to make it, so I'm helping her out as well as entertaining you guys and helping you as well. Alright, so let's get started guys. The first thing we need of course is our chicken. Please ensure that you clean the chicken properly and you wash it properly. Please don't give nobody no running belly. Don't do that. That's not nice. Now that the chicken is washed and clean, we're moving on to our spices. Black pepper, chicken flavor, all-purpose, paprika, pimento seed, onion, garlic. What that name again? Scallion and pepper. So now I'm gonna throw my powdered seasonings. Again guys, I don't measure seasoning. I just throw until I feel like to stop. Just put a toops here and a toops there, and it also depends on how much chicken you are cooking. Now I'm gonna move on to cutting up these. So we've now cut up and added our ground provision. So we're gonna mix it up all together. Nice and easy. After we've mixed this guys, we're gonna put it in the fridge and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes while I move on to prepare other stuff. And if you feel like your chicken needs a little more seasoning, you could always go ahead and add more. So now that the chicken is seasoned, I am going to cover it up and put it in the fridge. You do not want to put it in the fridge open, guys. You don't want it to smell and taste like fridge. Now I am putting the flour in a container. Also, I like to season the flour. This part, guys, you're going to use the same powder seasoning that was shown at the beginning of the video. But you're not going to put a lot because remember we already seasoned the chicken and we don't want it to be too salt. We're going to use our paprika now. I will just put a toops at every little thing. So guys, I've taken off all of the ground provision off the chicken, and now we're gonna put the beaten egg on the chicken. Now that the egg is on the chicken, we're gonna throw it in the flour that we seasoned and mix it all together, guys. Now that we have mixed the chicken in the flour, ensure that your stove is on and your oil is hot. If your oil is not hot, it's not gonna work. We don't have a deep fry, guys, so we put a lot of oil in there to kind of give it the same effect. Ensure the oil is hot, test it out before putting the chicken in. So I like to season my oil, so I'm gonna put the pepper in it, guys, and then I start to drop my chicken in. I want to tell my money I jump. What is that? Can't get that far, guys. Just splash, splash, splash. So this is the reason we have to cook the chicken on medium heat, guys, because you want to give the middle time to cook, and all that blood that is coming out, you want to give it time to get out of the chicken so the chicken can cook properly. So how many chicken am I on for doing?
You don't need chicken and
Okay.